buddy. Custom mics here. We're John is actually, this is his first long trip after the mechanic went over it and checked out the we had a little oil leak in the oil cooler, but John's been working on this thing for the last 4 years, and we've been helping him for the last year or so, tinkering with it, and it is so cool. Yep, the neighbor's asking if it's Herbie, for sure. But it's so cool to see John out with a big old smile on his face, running this thing all over town now that he's got it going. So sounds like a VW. Clean it out, John. There you go. Yeah, still getting used to it, you know, but cruising around in town. Another happy camper. Oh yeah. Love it. Thanks for hanging the custom mic. See ya.